I've been teaching English for 13 years. I've been teaching English since 2009. Those two sentences have the exact same meaning, except one used for and the other one used since. Today on Jen's Jyugyou, you're going to learn the differences between the commonly confused words for and since. Both for and since are used together with a grammar point called the present perfect or the present perfect progressive. These two verb tenses are used to talk about an action that started in the past and is still continuing now. It happens now, or it's still important now. It's very common to use the words for and since with the present perfect or present perfect progressive. However, for and since are used differently. So let's take a look at the key differences between for and since. When we use for in English, it is to talk about the length of time that something has been happening. What is the time period that the action has been happening for? For example, she has studied English for 3 years. The length of time she has been studying is 3 years. He's worked at his company for 6 months. They've been arguing for hours. I've been waiting for a long time. We've been married for a decade. She's been sick for 2 weeks. We use since to talk about the starting point of an action. It's used to refer to a specific point in the past, an exact date or time. They've been on vacation since Friday. It's been cold since November. She's been on the phone since 10 a.m. I've been collecting Pokemon cards since I was a child. He's lived in Canada since 2013. I've studied Japanese since I graduated university. Now that you know the differences between for and since, I'm going to give you a short quiz. I'm going to say 7 sentences, and I want you to fill in the blanks using the words for or since. Let's see if you can get all 7 for or since questions correct. Number 1, she's played the piano 6 years. She's played the piano 6 years. The answer is 4. She's played the piano for 6 years. Number 2, they've had a dog 9 months. They've had a dog 9 months. The answer is 4. They've had a dog for 9 months. Number 3, I've known my best friend. We met in university. I've known my best friend. We met in university. The answer is since. I've known my best friend since we met in university. Number 4, I haven't watched TV, 15 days. I haven't watched TV 15 days. The answer is 4. I haven't watched TV for 15 days. Question number 5. Life around the world has been crazy and chaotic for everyone. 2020. Life around the world has been crazy and chaotic for everyone. 2020. The answer is since. Life around the world has been crazy and chaotic for everyone since 2020. Question number 6. It's been snowing non-stop 7 a.m. It's been snowing non-stop 7 a.m. The answer is since. It's been snowing non-stop since 7 a.m. Question number 7. People have enjoyed Shakespeare centuries. People have enjoyed Shakespeare centuries. The answer is 4. People have enjoyed Shakespeare for centuries. How did you do on today's quiz? Could you get all 7 questions correct, choosing between for and since? Let me know how you did in the comments below. Today, you have learned the differences between for and since. Hopefully now you won't get confused again with these tricky words. And now it's time for Question of the Day. For today's question of the day, in the comments below, please practice what you've learned. Please make 2 sentences using for and since that both have the same meaning. For example, I have made YouTube videos since 2019. I have made YouTube videos for about 2.5 years. Let me see your sentences in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. If you found it useful, please subscribe to Jen's Jyugyou and give this video a thumbs up. Good luck with your English studies. See you in the next lesson.